They say that necessity is the mother of all invention. In the dirt bike magazine world, we like to think passion is what fuels the inventor's mind. And this CR500 aluminum frame conversion is just that passion we're talking about. From the crew at AEO Powersports. This project is actually one of the projects we like the best because we didn't do hardly any of the heavy lifting. We organized it from the background and they did all the work. The bike started off as a dream from one of Jeremy's really good customers, Don Shields, where he had an older CR500 conversion and he wanted a new motorcycle. He rode all the brand new 450s, didn't like any of them. So they started on this project using the engine out of Don's older motorcycle with a brand new chassis of a 2017 CR450 chassis. That's where all the easy stuff stopped. All the major frame modifications were done by Mike and his crew at Edgefinder Fabrication. They used a little bit different theory on the frame. Rather than just notching the Y up a little bit higher, they actually boxed the frame in for rigidity purposes and moved the engine mounts to the proper locations, keeping in mind that the swing arm pivot and the countershaft sprocket alignment are crucial. One of the things that jumped out at everybody with this build is the dual FMF exhaust. That is FMF's standard exhaust system that was modified by Mike and his crew at Edgefinder as well. And yes, it does work. Evo's suspension handled revalving the fork and the shock. And in the rear, the shock is more than just revalved and resprung. It's actually a hybrid of a couple different shocks, allowing it to have clearance on the air boot and the dual exhaust system in the rear. Edgefinder also did their magic in the refabricating of the air boot, making it line up perfectly with the carburetor. Internally, the engine was completely rebuilt. The crank was balanced with a minor port job, and the cases on the outside were coated black. As we told you before, it has an FMF complete exhaust system and a Boysen rad valve. All the special color coatings that you see on the machine were done by Jared at Moto Whips. The wheels are red Talon hubs with black DID Dirt Star rims and oversized spokes, wrapped with Dunlop tires and nitro mousses inside to guard against any flat possibilities. Other items included on this build are Galfer rotors and brake lines, a Ride Engineering lowering link in the rear, an IMS oversized tank, Cycra plastics and handguards, Fast Company flex bars, a Scott Performance steering stabilizer, a TM Designs slide and glide kit with an SXS full coverage skid plate, and a custom carbon fiber pipe guard from P3 Carbon. Like we said in the beginning, these are our favorite kind of builds. This build actually turned out great. We loved riding the motorcycle. The only problem we had is when we had to give it back. But don't worry, we have more CR500 builds coming. For the complete build on the AEO CR500 AF, check out the March issue of Dirtbike magazine. To stay up to date on Dirtbike magazine's latest videos, click the subscribe button now. And if you got a little more time on your hands, check these videos out.